Main content. 1. Acupressure points for cough relief. 2. Home remedies for cough relief. Common cough doesn't require much attention, you can cure it through acupressure points, home remedies and some food-drink prevention. Acupressure points for cough relief. Following acupressure points are very effective for cough relief. 1. Heaven Rushing Out Point CV22. Acupressure Heaven Rushing Out Pressure Point is an important point for cough relief. This point is also called Conception Vessel 22 point and it is found in the base of the throat, in large hollow just below the Adam's apple. Apply gentle pressure on Heaven Rushing Out point to relieve dry cough, sore throat, heartburn, chest congestion and bronchitis. 2. Elegant Mansion Point or Kidney 27. Acupressure Elegant Mansion Point is effective to give relief in coughing and breathing problems. The Elegant Mansion Point is also known as Kidney 27 point, it is located next to the breastbone in the hollow below collarbone. Apply mild pressure on Elegant Mansion Point for 2 minutes to heal cough, chest congestion, asthma and anxiety. 3. Heavenly Pillar Point B10. Acupressure Heavenly Pillar Point is useful for sore throat and cough relief. The Heavenly Pillar Point is also named Bladder 10 point, it can be found at 2-3 fingers below the base of the skull on ropey muscles. Apply light pressure on Heavenly Pillar Point for 1 minute to relieve sore throat, insomnia, burnout, neck stiffness, overexertion, stress, exhaustion and heaviness in head.
4. 3 Mile Point Stomach 36. Acupressure 3 Mile Pressure Point is useful in healing cough and digestive problems. The 3 Mile Point is also called Stomach 36 point, located at 4 fingers width below the kneecap, 1 finger width the side shin bone. Apply firm pressure on 3 Mile Point both legs for 2 minutes. The ST36 pressure point will give instant relief in cough, toothache, stress, dizziness and gastric pain.
5. Lung 5 point LU5. Acupressure Lung 5 point is the best pressure point for both the dry cough and wet cough. You can locate the Lung 5 point on radial side of the tendon of biceps, in cubicle crease of the elbow. Apply firm pressure on LU5 point to get relief in wet cough, dry cough, chest congestion, fever, sore throat and water retention in lungs. 6. Lung 8 point LU8. Acupressure Lung 8 pressure point is an amazing point for cough relief and chest pain. The LU8 point is situated on radial palmar aspect of the forearm, 1 thumb below the wrist crease. Apply firm pressure on Lung 8 point 1 by 1 on both hands for 2 minutes. The Lung 8 point will be helpful to clear phlegm and reduce cough, asthma, difficulty in breathing, distension, fullness in chest, sore throat. 7. Kidney 6 point. Acupressure Kidney 6 point is useful to heal cough and sore throat. The Kidney 6 point can be found 1 thumb below the inside of the ankle bone, in depression below the tip of the medial malleolus. Apply proper pressure on Kidney 6 point on both feet for 2 minutes. The K6 point will give cough relief and also heal sore throat, urine retention, epilepsy, prolapse of uterus and irregular menstruation.
8. Ding Chuan Point Stop Asthma Point. Acupressure Ding Chuan Point works very well on asthma and cough. The Ding Chuan Point is derived from acupuncture and it is also known as Stop Asthma Point. You can find the Ding Chuan Point on lower border of spinous process of the back, half body inches lateral to cervical vertebra number 7. Apply gentle pressure on Ding Chuan Point for 1-2 minutes to feel better in cough, asthma, shoulder pain, back pain, thyroid imbalances, throat problems and neck rigidity. Note, after applying acupressure points for cough relief, drink a lot of warm water. It will remove the toxic substances from your body.
Home remedies for cough relief. You can get instant relief in cough and its symptoms with help of acupressure points and some natural home remedies mentioned below. Honey. Get 1 cup of warm water, add some lemon and 2 spoon honey. Drink the warm water to reduce coughing and sore throat. Ginger slice. Cut the ginger, remove its layers and put one ginger slice inside your tongue. Repeat this process 2-3 times a day to get relief in cough. Pineapple. Eat one slice of pineapple to get instant relief in cough. Pineapple is a fruit that contains bromelain, which helps to reduce cough and mucus in throat. Peppermint. Pour 3-4 drops of peppermint oil into 150 milliliters hot water. Inhale the peppermint vapors from steam bath. You can also make and drink peppermint tea for cough relief. Importance of medical treatment for cough. When the cough lasts for more than 3 weeks, it's time you should consult a doctor. The doctor will diagnose your cough and its symptoms, then prescribe best medicines and syrup for you. So you must know when to see a doctor for cough relief. Here we provide some critical symptoms of cough when you must go to a doctor for cough treatment as follows. Blood coming with cough. Mucus coming with cough. Chest pain during coughing. Much difficulty in breathing. Problem in swallowing food. Too much coughing while eating, drinking. Perpetual change in your voice. Fever is not getting down, cured. Weight loss. In case you have any of the above given symptoms of cough, you should immediately consult a doctor for cough treatment. Acupressure points or home remedies may not work on chronic cough. Furthermore, if you have blood in coughing or high fever, chest pain, it can be dangerous to your life. Please contact doctor and get proper treatment for cough relief.